Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by powering down and removing the cushions. This gives direct access to fabric and metal. Once done, use a lint-free cloth to wipe metal headband and outer cups. This removes oil so cleaners work. Make sure to fold a corner of cloth and reserve it for final polish. Next, use a soft brush to loosen trapped debris along seams and grill because brushing prevents pushing dirt deeper. Keep parts organized so reassembly is quick and accurate. Now focus on delicate areas. You'll clean the speaker mesh and internal openings carefully. First, dampen a swab with 70% isopropyl and trace plastic rims and metal parts. This disinfects without saturation. Then, with a soft brush, sweep the mesh to lift dust. Follow with short compressed air bursts from at least a few inches away so moisture and force don't damage drivers. For the headband, a slightly damp, mild soap cloth cleans sweat and oils. Make sure to dry right away to protect foam beneath. Reassemble by aligning magnets and snapping cushions back into place. You'll hear a click when seated correctly. Then power on and test audio, controls, and noise cancellation. This verifies nothing shifted during cleaning. If you hear distortion or reduced bass, make sure no moisture remains. Place headphones in a dry, ventilated spot for 24 hours and repeat gentle mesh cleaning. If problems persist after drying, stop and contact Apple support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.